from the Calhoun-Gordon County Public Library.
Hi, I'm Emma, and today we'll be making a no-bake Halloween treat.
All right, Emma, start by emptying the pudding into the 2 cups of cold milk, and you're going to stir it while I crush up some Oreo-type cookies. This recipe comes from the country cook Brandy, and we will link a description of the recipe below. Okay, once you get that dumped in, start stirring it.
Whisk or?
Yeah, with the whisk. It's really not a whisk. It's one of the beaters from our hand mixer. I don't have a whisk. So the Oreos are supposed to look like dirt. Maybe we shouldn't have gone double stuffed.
Maybe. You should have taken a bowl and scraped all the icing and then put the icing in the whole bowl and then done it.
I like it. You keep stirring. I'm getting a bowl.
Okay.
Hard. Earlier, we had made brownies, but you don't have to make brownies. You can use something already bought, store-bought brownies from a mix, whatever. We had to make ours from scratch because I didn't have a mix. So we're gonna fill our cup with a nice couple of chunks of brownie while our pudding thickens up. How's our pudding? Pretty thick? Oh, that looks like pudding. Okay, pour a little bit into each cup.
I think I should trust you with that.
Trust me with that? Okay. Do you want to lick this? Will you lick it so it doesn't make a mess? Because we didn't bring anything.
Mm-hmm.
How is it?
Good.
Okay. It's a little lumpy, but dirt usually has clots in it, huh? We're gonna take the crumbs that you made and sprinkle some.
That side.
It's okay. Sprinkle some on top. To add our dirt. Okay, now the Milano cookies are going to be our tombstones. Now, we got the orange ones. Emma, what was your review of the dark chocolate orange?
Do not get them. They taste disgusting.
So you might want to stick to regular. I love the orange, it'd be nice.
And they may not taste good with the Oreos either.
Okay, so now what we're going to do,
We got some glittery
gel icing. So what color do you want to write on your tombstone?
I want some red.
Red. Once you have your little tombstones ready, you're going to pop them in.
Oh, no. One of my O's came off.
Spinach. You can use some pumpkins.
Or candy corn if you like it.
Does candy corn sit in a graveyard?
No, but you can grow corn.
There's probably not a lot of pumpkins either at the graveyard, huh? Oh, this one doesn't have a green top, so I'm going to have to eat it.
Caitlin, that's just an excuse. This one doesn't have a green top. This one
then
does.
I'm going to take some green gel and make a little grass. Because that's what the country cook said to do. Hers looks really good. Mine just looks like there's slime coming out. And there you have it. Your own little creepy cemetery. No baking required. 1, 2, 3. Happy Halloween!